Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register with DesignEvo for logo creation. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. To begin, open your preferred web browser. In the address bar, type in www.designevo.com and press enter. Once the DesignEvo homepage loads, locate the Get Started button and click on it. You will be directed to the logo creation page. Now, look for the Sign Up option in the upper right corner. Click on Sign Up to begin the registration process. You will see options to register using an email, Google, or Facebook account. Choose your preferred method. If you opt for email registration, enter your email address in the provided field. Next, create and confirm your password. Click on the Sign Up button to proceed. If you chose to sign up with Google or Facebook, simply authorize the necessary permissions. After successfully registering, check your inbox for a confirmation email. Open the email and click on the confirmation link provided. This action will verify your account. Once verified, return to the DesignEvo website. Log in using your newly created credentials. Congratulations, you are now registered and ready to create your logo. Explore the various templates and design tools available to start your project. Remember to save your progress as you work on your logo. Enjoy the designing process and unleash your creativity. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.